the storms headed our direction. We're kicking off fall with a bang today. Here's a live picture from downtown Eugene. You see the traffic's getting along just fine. Dry streets this morning. We are seeing some fog, though, out at the Eugene airport. What happened is we got that storm moved through yesterday, brought in those scattered showers. That moved on to the east overnight after dropping about 0.06 of an inch of rainfall here out at the Eugene airport. The clouds started to clear, causing some fog to form. Humidity at 100%. It's been a while since we've seen that. That fog isn't going to last for long, though. Already starting to lift, but we are still seeing mostly cloudy skies, which will stick with us this morning. And then along the coast, already starting to see some scattered showers showing up this morning from this storm, a whole new storm, which is going to move across the entire Pacific Northwest late tonight and early tomorrow morning. Low pressure center several hundred miles offshore, and as we get closer to the front itself, that's when the rain will really start to pick up and we'll start to see some strong winds, especially out on the beach and in the headlands. So this is the first big storm of the fall. Again, it's also the biggest storm we've seen in over 2.5 months. Showers this afternoon changing over to heavy rain overnight through tomorrow morning, and then also again quite windy at the coast. If you have lawn furniture outside, bikes outside, or things that you've just been able to keep out because of the dry conditions all summer, now is the time to bring those in. Again, those showers will arrive here later this afternoon. Taking a look at the next 24 hours in terms of rainfall totals, here's what I'm expecting. As we head through the afternoon up until about 3:30 tonight, most locations seeing some raindrops at that point, but all locations still less than 1/10 of an inch. So that's just sort of the preliminary rain showers that we'll see. Then as we head through the later afternoon into the early evening hours, that's when it does start to pick up. You can see this is midnight tonight. Locations along the coast all seeing at least 1/3 of an inch. Once you get up over the coast range, we're talking about 1/2 of an inch of rain there. And then here in the Willamette Valley, between 1/10 and 1/3 of an inch overnight until tomorrow morning. Watch this. There it goes, making its way to the east. That heavy rain tomorrow morning, right during the morning commute. Likely by the time this storm is done, we're talking over 1 inch here in the southern Willamette Valley, over 2 inches when you get up into the coast range and into the Cascades. Now that storm will wrap up quickly for us in western Oregon tomorrow afternoon, but we won't completely be in the clear this week with that deep trough of low pressure still offshore. That's still going to keep us cool, and it's going to continue to send scattered showers through western Oregon again Thursday night and Friday night, eventually drying out by this weekend. So for the coast today, again, it's mid to upper 60s, so starting to cool down. Scattered showers off and on, changing over to heavier rain tonight. Sustained winds from the south, 10 to 20 miles per hour, but those gusts as high as 55 when you get out to the beach and headlands later tonight. For the Umpqua Basin, it's mid to upper 70s for you, mostly cloudy through the afternoon, but then again, seeing that rain picking up this evening. The Cascades seeing heavy rainfall, especially tomorrow. This front will basically stall over the Cascades, could become a concern in areas that have recently been scarred by wildfires. Could see some debris flows and even some landslides there. For Central Oregon, mid to upper 70s for you, showers late tonight, early tomorrow. And for the valley, again, it's showers this afternoon, changing over to that heavier rain here later tonight. And then here's what you can expect over the next 7-day stretch. Still seeing those showers Thursday and Friday, mid 60s at the coast. The Umpqua Basin dropping all the way to the low 70s by the end of the week. The Cascades move from the 70s to the mid 50s. Could even get some snowflakes over 10,000 feet this week. And for the Willamette Valley, low 70s all week. Again, chances for rain all the way through Friday.